If you understand flying drones, you don't have to do it without the landowner's permission.
I'm not on your land.
No, but your drone is.
Welcome back to Audit the Dealer. Today we're here in Southampton and we're looking at this Ferrari repair centre, and that don't look great. Got some beautiful cars here. We're going to try and be nosy in the workshop here. Definitely haven't seen in the Ferrari workshop before. We've got this door open here, so get the zoom camera on and ready to go. Ooh, we're in. Got a bumper there, look. That car's covered up for some reason. Got some parts on the floor there. Pretty sure they shouldn't be on the floor, especially being Ferrari. And look at this here, we've got a whole back end of a Ferrari out. Look at that. Oh, hi mate, you alright?
Yeah, you're not allowed to film in there, mate.
Sorry?
Not allowed to film.
Oh right, why not?
Because customers' cars.
Oh, they could. Oh, of course, it's repair, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's going on with this one here, mate?
Just.
Whole back end, is it? Or big job?
Yeah, big job, mate. Yeah.
Alright mate, listen, is this just a service centre, or is it?
Yeah, so in
Right.
Lyndhurst. If you go there, you can film all the cars in there because they'll sell.
So you've got no cars for sale here?
No cars
Right.
for sale.
Alright mate, no worries,
Yeah.
thank you.
Alright, mate.
Cheers. Service centre only. Well, we got what we needed at the workshop. Same colour as my brakes on my car. My brakes are indeed painted Ferrari yellow.
Hey buddy, no filming.
Why?
These are all customer car, private ownership.
Are they? Ooh, it's nice that one, isn't it?
It certainly is.
I'm just making videos on cars today.
Yeah, unfortunately these are all customer cars, so we have to respect their privacy. So
Privacy, what do you mean with it?
their own cars are on private land, they're with us for servicing, so.
Oh right. I can't get any details off the cars though, right? You know?
You can, well,
Unless,
as our customers, we like to look after them.
fair enough.
And yeah, we'd like to respect their wishes in some cases.
Listen, I do a lot of videos on Audi and VW showrooms.
Right.
And I look in their workshops and they're meant to follow standards, right? I know you guys don't, nothing to do with that.
Okay.
Car parts on the floor. They've always got car parts on the customers' car parts. It's bad, isn't it?
I don't know the procedures in Audi and VW workshops.
But I looked in yours and there's also car parts on the floor. So do you have a brand standard not to do that or not?
I'm not willing to discuss that sort of information if you're filming it as well.
Well, no, but I just saw it when I opened. That door was already open. I walked past and just saw like a mass of parts. I was just curious.
Okay.
Because I don't do Ferrari normally. I don't normally do VAG Group.
Yeah.
And with them, it's a thing. They're not allowed to.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, can't comment on it. Fair enough.
No.
What's in there, mate? Is that a showroom? No.
No, that's our service reception.
Ooh, there's a car in there though. Is that just a
Yeah.
show car?
Yeah, just a show.
Ah, got you. Okay, mate. Where can I be? Can I be here or is this?
No, this is all private land.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, any filming, you need to speak to our showroom in Lyndhurst.
Where's that?
In Lyndhurst.
Not from round. Is that far? Is it?
It's about 4 miles away. Yeah.
Okay. Might pop later.
Yeah.
What I usually do, I normally film like anything here. I've got a little drone in the bag, a little baby drone. I just fly over and just do a shot above. Is that all right? Or
No.
can't fly over either?
No, you're not allowed to fly drones in the forest. The New
What?
Forest not allowed to fly drones. I don't make the rules for the New Forest, but yeah, I'm understanding there's no
Really?
drones allowed to fly in the New Forest.
Are we in the New Forest now? Oh, look.
I believe so.
All right. It's news to me, mate. That.
But no filming's allowed.
If I do the drone, you want me out there to do it? Not, obviously, I won't do it
I
here.
don't want a drone over the buildings. Sorry.
Not at all.
No drone footage.
Why?
These are all customer cars. We do respect their privacy.
I'll be nice and high, mate. I won't be low. You don't want it?
No, we don't want the film footage. And yeah, as far as I'm aware, you're not allowed to fly drones in the New Forest.
Okay. I'm not sure if I'm going to drone yet. If I do you want me to come and let you know, or do you want to?
Well, no, I just told you I don't want any drone work here, so.
But I have to do it.
Why do you have to do it?
Because I've got my little documentary here finished already before I met you.
Well, I've asked you not to promote stuff and film stuff here. We're on private property.
Yeah.
These are customer cars.
What is that? Your building over there, is it?
No, that's our next door neighbours.
Oh. I'm happy to go out on the public pathway, mate, and do it. From there, I'm happy to do it.
Do whatever you want on the public pathway. This is private land.
Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't fly here. Yeah, I'd go out there and do it. Essentially.
Yeah, I don't want you flying over our property or our cars.
Fair enough, mate. If I do it, is there a consequence or?
I don't know what the laws are with the flying.
It's okay to do it. I just like to let normally the manager know I'm doing it
Yeah.
in case you see it.
Well, the manager's not here.
Oh, I thought you were in charge. I thought you were in charge.
No, I'm not in charge here. No, I just try to look after all our customers' cares and needs.
Are you sales, are you? Or?
I do both sales and service.
Oh, very good. Okay, mate. Look, I don't want to take any of your time. I'm going to go out on the pathway.
Okay.
I'm not 100% if I'm going to take the drone up yet.
Okay. Well,
I don't know.
Choice. There are rules in the New Forest about flying drones.
Okay. I'll check that out myself.
Yeah, please do.
Thank you very much, mate.
Okay.
Wait. I can't go in there, can I, with you? If I have a quick look? No. I thought I'd ask. Look at these cars, man. Beautiful cars, man. Beautiful cars. Yeah, a little Ferrari service centre here. Is that a bumper of some kind? Well, all these windows are open, but they do have blinds on them, so I'm guessing they can close all of them if they want to. See some engine parts on there, is it? Can't really see from the reflection. Front caliper with pads. Got some cameras up there, look. Hikvision, Chinese. Oh, she doesn't look very happy. This one here. Quick, 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 quick. Do a quick drone shot while we're here, right? It's all right, mate. I was just videoing your along there.
Oh, it's not for filming. So if you understand flying drones, you're not allowed to do it without the landowner's permission.
I'm not on your land.
No, but your drone is.
No, it's not. It's in the airspace.
It's just above our land.
Yeah, that's right.
So if you don't have permission, then you're not allowed to fly over people's land.
It doesn't work like that, mate. I'm afraid.
Right, okay.
No, no.
Right.
I don't mean to come across awkward, but
What channel do you record from? Or
no, it's just independent. It's not. I'm not from like a media company or anything.
no, but obviously you've got a blog where you're obviously posting your stuff.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. What's the name of your blog?
Can't be giving you that, mate.
Okay.
Okay, if I give it to you, you don't want it for a positive reason, right? You're not going to sit there and go,
It
oh.
depends what the footage is on there that's put on there.
Well, today it will be.
I've asked a question and I've asked you not to film our customers' cars.
I haven't. What? Apart from when I walked in. To be fair, I didn't know at the point, did I? All it is along there, you can see some pretty cool goings on.
Yeah.
So I just tried to have a quick zoom in. From the reflection, I couldn't really see anything, but
Okay.
that's it. I'm going to fly over. The reason I'm going to fly over is because from this side,
You don't have permission to fly over.
it's quite with your logo. It's quite a cool building.
It is a very cool building, but we're not giving permission for you to fly over our building to film it.
Do I need permission to fly over it though? I don't think I do.
Well, I think I've just looked on the internet and it says
Oh, right.
in the New Forest you need to get permission. So thank you.
All right, mate. Take care.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There we go. We're up. We are up. What should we do? There's a man flying a drone. There's a man flying a drone. Oh my god. What should we do? Should we call the police? Oh my gosh. These guys look very serious, don't they? Very, very serious. Oh, they're all going back in. Just as I had the zoom camera ready to go. Oh, they're closing the shutter. Oh well. Well, it's a cool shaped building, that, isn't it? Nice and high for the pylons in the way. That is pretty cool, isn't it? Look at that. Let's get a photo. So, Ferrari workshop. Almost finished here at the Ferrari. Just going to get the zoom cam out and do a bit more zoom in, but it's getting very warm. So taking the old hoodie off. Let's have a little zoom in on some of these cars then. Reception. Well, we got what we wanted. We got inside the workshop with the camera. I don't mean me, I mean the camera. Zoomed into the workshop, which is what we wanted. We haven't seen inside a Ferrari workshop yet. And look at this private reg, look. Private in terms of hidden. Every one of these blinds is shut. Oh, it's still got one of them open there. Still got one of them half open. Can't really see in there though. So guys, we're going to say bye to Ferrari here in Southampton. Thanks for watching. Give the video a nice big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because it really helps to help the channel grow. Thank you very much.